What's up, nerds? What's up, nerds? Welcome to Day in the Life of a Man-Child vlog number 4. As some of you guys know, one of the things I like to do when I make review videos for pedal boards of doom is I like to make a little song at the end of the video to kind of show you how I'd use the pedal. Well, in this, I'm gonna make that song right for you right now. I got my Ibanez with my burst buckers in it, and I just plugged in my interface. I got the Astral Destiny all wired up. I'm not gonna use the expression control, but I'm gonna try and do like some clean and then some dirty, and then just put it all together into a little short ditty so I can show you guys how I make the magic at the end of my pedal boards of doom reviews. So enjoy. I'll kind of walk you through it as I do it. So right now I just got a clean amp, kind of a basement kind of amp, which is kind of what I like to use for clean tones. This is Sans Astral Destiny. As you can see, I've got a setting that I really like here. It's the sub shimmer. And you can see all my settings kind of set up. I like the preset number 8. Just kind of playing with this one a little bit, and I got some stuff lined up. So I don't even know a tempo yet. Not quite fast enough. As you might know, I make these things completely from scratch. Cool. Let's make it a little dark, guys. Alright, let's try that. Just gonna make up a little. Let's try that. That's cool. Alright. Usually what I do when I make these is I just try and get them as much together as I can, and then, you know, practice them a little bit, and then we go from there. Let's take a peek. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's gonna be doomy. It's super doom, I guess. So now what we're gonna do is I got a cool kind of vibe going. So let's kind of get to my ML Sound Labs here. Alright, now we're going to try to build it up a little bit for a heavy part. On that, let's do that. build up. We should have a little fill right before we go into the big nasty bits. Fill. Yeah, that's what's up. Right before it breaks into some nastiness. Alright. See how that sounds. Oh yeah, dude. That'll work. Until I'm ready, machine. Alright. Alright, let's try it. Sometimes you just gotta see if you're gonna sink or swim. Alright, start me back in there. Oh, that was with the Astral Destiny on, so we will see if that created total chaos. But it actually sounded pretty good, like weirdly good. If you don't have Superior Drummer 3, you should, and you like to write stuff, any style, you should get Superior Drummer 3. Tune Track if you want to send me money, make checks out to cash. Alright, duders and duderinos, let's hear this. On the tip top. Get rid of this annoying metronome. We'll have to get some grindy bass in there, you know what I mean? Look at this go. My ending didn't work. Snippy snip. Alright, so that's the song that I'm going to essentially use. So, hands, fills and stuff, I don't really think I need them. I'll have to mix it too. Mixing's always fun. But I think I kind of got the idea. So, one of the things if you're doing heavy stuff, I like to kind of double the rhythm part. Just a little bit. Okay, so now we got a track. We got the doubling down. So I'll cut the erroneous bits off the end. Man, this thing does not like dirt. I kind of like the idea of just throwing an absurd clean solo over this mega rockin' thing, so it's the worst that can happen, I guess. Here we go. In toto. Guitar sounds piercingly bright, but we can fix that later. I'm gonna have to do it live anyway, so you're gonna get to see how it sounds on bass too. Let's rock with it. I'm going to back it down a little bit. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. Alright. See if we can nail this in one take. There you have it. That's the song that I'm going to use for my demo video. So thanks for coming in on a... Thanks for showing up. If you're watching, appreciate it. This has been number 4 in a day in the life of a man-child. This is literally what I do all day. Edit videos and all this other stuff. So, bye.